Canva just released a tool that I am absolutely obsessing over, and it is changing the way that I design. Welcome back to this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. Hi there, my name is Emily, and I'm a top 1% Etsy print-on-demand seller and mom of two who somehow found herself in this wild world of solopreneurship. And if you're new here, every week I am dropping practical tips, tools, and strategies to help you launch, grow, and scale your own Etsy shop. All right, so let's dive in to this tool that I am truly obsessing over. I cannot stop playing around with it, and it is called Magic Layers. Now, Canva just recently released this, so I am really digging into all of the capabilities, but I want to show you why this is such a game changer for designing on Canva. And before you do your next design, create your next mockup, or do anything for your Etsy shop or any design in general, I need you to watch this. Okay, so let me break down for you why this Magic Layers tool is so helpful, because I think the context really matters here. Let's say that you have found a graphic like this one that you want to use for a design, or maybe you're creating a mockup or whatever you might be creating for your Etsy listing. Let's say you've gotten a graphic like this that you want to use in your design, but you don't quite want to use all of it the way it is. Or maybe you just want to use a portion of it. Maybe you just want to rearrange things a little bit. Previously, you used to have to click on this and you could use the eraser, let's say the magic eraser, and you could come in and just like manually come in here and erase them. Or what you could do is use the magic grab tool in Canva, and it would allow you to grab these. It would take some time, it would generate, and it would just grab that one element that then you could move around. So it was very tedious and time consuming to do that for an entire graphic like this. Now, though, with Magic Layers, it will turn your entire graphic into different layers that then you can edit and move around. So how does this work? First, you're going to click on the photo, on the graphic, whatever you're trying to turn into different layers, and click on the edit button. From here, you'll select Magic Layers. And then Canva is going to do its magic, and it's going to turn each of these graphics into its own layer that then you can edit, delete, move, change, and it is such a game changer. All right, so Canva has, with one click of a button, turned all of these little graphics into individual layers that I can edit. First thing I'll do is delete the background because we don't need that there. And now you could see each of these is its own layer, even the littlest graphics. And even if you bring in something that has text, it will also turn that into layers as well. So this has been a huge game changer for me in two ways. The first one is for product designs like this, where I just need to be able to manipulate the graphics in a way that makes more sense for my design, but I don't want to have to do it manually. The second way is actually with brand photos for my listing, or product photos, size charts, things like that. Sometimes I'll have a brand photo or a mock-up photo where I just want to erase one piece of it, or I want to manipulate or move part of it. And now I can do that completely with this Magic Layers tool. Now, I know this might feel like a small thing. It's just one tool inside Canva, but I have really been using this for just a week or so, and it has seriously changed the game for me and has saved me so much time in my editing and my designing. All right, so there you have it. Canva Magic Layers is my current new obsession, and I am so happy to share it with you. So I'd love to know below, have you started using the Magic Layers tool yet? And if you haven't, do you plan on trying? And don't forget to post any comments or questions below so I can answer them in an upcoming Coffee and Cha-Chings. My name's Emily, and I'll see you next time.